There are two ways of spelling mite. They both contain the same sounds. I, t. There is the might that is a verb and is used to express possibility or permission. I might be late. Might I ask you a question? It can also be used as a noun, meaning power or strength. He pushed with all his might. And then there is the mite, that is a minute arachnid with 4 pairs of legs. Here is a way to remember the spelling of the two mites and their meanings. When you want to write the mite, that means possibly or powerful, think that it might be right. To turn on the light at night if you get a fright. Did you notice that all these words end with I-G-H-T? The I sound is represented just by the letter I, like in child. And then it has a silent G and H. That's because the G and H used to be pronounced. We used to say macht, racht, and lacht. If you want to write the might that is an arachnid, think that might will bite. Did you notice that in both these words, the I sound is represented by the split digraph I as in kite? Now you need to remember the spelling and the meaning of the two mites. A good way to practice is to teach a different friend this strategy every day for 5 days. And then you will soon be spelling and using the two mites correctly. Brought to you by Cracking the ABC Code.